Automatically print on both sides of paper on supported HP printers from a Mac. On your printer, load paper into the input tray without exceeding the maximum capacity. Open a document to print. Press Command and P on your keyboard, or click File, Print to open the Print dialog box. Click the Printer drop-down menu and select your printer. If no settings display in the Print dialog box, click Show Details. Click the checkbox next to Two-Sided. Click the middle drop-down menu and then select Layout. Click the drop-down menu next to Two-Sided and select how you want your output to read. Select Long Edge Binding to create printouts in booklet style, with the text in the same orientation on each page. Select Short Edge Binding to create printouts in tablet style, with the text in opposite orientation on each page. Click Print. The document prints on both sides of the paper according to your settings.